Picture this. You've got a brilliant idea for a killer product, but the thought of printing and storing heaps of inventory gives you the heebie-jeebies. But don't worry, because I have a solution that's as brilliant as it is magical. Welcome to the amazing world of print on demand. Hello, lovely creators. I'm that AI chick, your guide to all things innovative and creative. Today, we're delving into the realm of print on demand, also called P.O.D. for short. But before we leave on this amazing journey, let's start with the basics. P.O.D., or print on demand, is a magical concept where you can create custom-designed products without the hassle of stocking inventory. Instead of printing a large batch of items up front, P.O.D. allows you to produce each item as it's ordered, one at a time. It's almost like having your very own treasure chest full of products, ready to be made whenever you're ready for them. Now, you might be wondering, why should I dip my toes into the waters of P.O.D.? Well, for one reason, because P.O.D. offers an exciting opportunity to turn your creative ideas into reality, without the financial risks associated with traditional manufacturing. Plus, it's a fantastic way to make some extra cash on the side. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or simply someone looking to spread their wings and try something new, P.O.D. opens doors to endless possibilities. So where do you begin? The first step is to choose a platform to host your creations. Websites like Shopify, Etsy, and Printful offer easy-to-use interfaces and seamless integration with many different P.O.D. services. Once you've set up your shop, then it's time to unleash your creativity and start making designs. Next up, you'll need to channel your inner tech wizard. Don't worry, you don't need an advanced degree for this. Just grab some user-friendly design software like Canva, Creative Fabrica, or Adobe Spark. These magical tools make creating stunning designs a breeze, even for beginners. But where do you sell these marvelous creations once you've made them, you ask? No problem, my entrepreneurial friends, because there are platforms aplenty waiting to showcase your genius. Shopify, Etsy, and even Amazon are bustling marketplaces teeming with eager customers waiting to buy the best creative designs. And hey, if you're finding any of these tips helpful, why not hit that like and subscribe button below right now? That way, you'll never miss out on the latest and greatest in the world of P.O.D. and AI creativity. Okay, so let's dive back into our adventure. But what about selling AI art, you ask? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. AI art is all the rage these days, and P.O.D. is the perfect avenue to showcase your digital masterpieces. Whether you're using AI-generated designs or collaborating with AI to enhance your own artwork, the world is your canvas. Just imagine your unique AI creations adorning t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, prints, or even home decor items. Now, let's take a second to talk about the possibilities of turning P.O.D. into a side hustle. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur looking to make extra cash, or a regular Joe or Jane wanting to pad your wallet, P.O.D. is a golden opportunity. Imagine turning your passion for animal designs or something else into a profitable venture, all while keeping your day job or juggling other commitments. With P.O.D., that is definitely possible. And there you have it, folks. A crash course in the amazing world of print on demand. Print on demand is not just a business model, it's a gateway to unlimited creativity and potential, and definitely a topic we will be covering in future videos much more in depth. So, until next time, y'all, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI.